Most of us carry a bulky flashlight or rely on a glitchy phone app. But what if you had one tiny, indestructible gadget that did both? Today, we're looking at a unique compass flashlight hybrid designed to be your ultimate pocket companion. This tool is built around a simple idea. It combines reliable illumination with a precise liquid-filled compass. This isn't a cheap toy. The compass uses special oil inside the dial to stop the needle from wobbling. It stays steady even if you're moving. Whether you're mapping a route through a canyon or just checking your bearings on a farm, it gives you instant data. North, south, east, west, it's all there, crystal clear. Interestingly, it's also a great stress reliever. There is something incredibly calming about watching the needle slowly find its mark after a long, hectic day. Now let's talk about the build. This gadget is made from titanium alloy. That means it's tough, it won't rust, and it's built to last for decades. Despite being so rugged, it's tiny. It measures about 33 by 28 millimeters. To put that in perspective, it weighs only 1 ounce. You can clip it to your keys, slide it onto a backpack strap, or even wear it as a necklace. It's designed to be there when you need it without feeling like extra weight. Plus, it's IPX6 waterproof. Rain, snow, or extreme heat won't stop it from working. The lighting features are where this tool really shines. It has 3 everyday modes plus a strobe for emergencies. A really smart feature is that it always starts on the lowest eco setting. This prevents you from blinding yourself when you turn it on in pitch-black darkness. It also includes 2 specialized lights. UV light, perfect for inspecting gear or detecting fluorescent objects. Red light, this is a favorite for campers and stargazers. It preserves your night vision and won't disturb the people around you. If things go wrong, there's an SOS red light mode. It sends a flashing signal to help rescue teams find you in low visibility. Based on user feedback, the designers added an electronic lock. This is huge for anyone who carries a light in their pocket. It ensures the device won't turn on by accident and drain the battery. They also added 2 tritium tube slots on the sides. If you choose to add glow tubes, the device will literally glow in the dark. This makes it incredibly easy to find at the bottom of a bag or on a dark nightstand. It's a practical, innovative tool that brings peace of mind to your pocket. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give the video a like and share it with your fellow adventurers. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational gear reviews. You can find the link to this gadget in the description below.